Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up My Eyes Only on Snapchat. It's really easy and it will work on Android, on iPhone and on iPhone. Alright, so first what you need to do here is of course to go on Snapchat and then click on your memories and then select My Eyes Only tab that is on eTop and then press setup and then basically press quick setup, create your passcode and be sure to remember that passcode, because if you don't, you can do not have access to the folder. Right, so I will do this one, confirm password and understand, press continue, and as you can see here, setup completed. And basically what you need to do here, go on your basically snaps and then press and hold it on the snap that you want to basically save to My Eyes Only, and select the snap, basically photos that you want to save it. Press on hide and press move, and then you go on My Eyes Only, enter the passcode, and as you can see here, you will have basically the photos that you want to hide. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.